Everyone says oatmeal is the perfect health food, but what if the oatmeal you're eating is actually sabotaging your health? Today, we break down the science of what really happens inside your body when you eat oatmeal every single day. Oatmeal has built a global reputation as a breakfast champion. It's affordable, easy to make, and for decades we've been told it's one of the healthiest ways to start our day. But beyond the headlines, what is the cumulative effect of this daily habit? In this video, we'll dive deep into the peer-reviewed research to uncover three key things. First, the incredible science-backed benefits for your heart, weight, and gut health. Second, the hidden dangers of choosing the wrong type and how to spot them. And finally, how to build the perfect daily bowl to maximize every single health benefit. So, what gives this simple grain its superpowers? It's not magic, it's science, packed into every single oat. The hero ingredient inside oatmeal is a unique type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Remember that name, because we'll be talking about it a lot. This is the primary driver behind most of oatmeal's famous health benefits. But it's not just about fiber. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with essential minerals like manganese, which is crucial for bone health and metabolism. It has phosphorus and magnesium, vital for energy production and muscle function. It's also a good source of iron, which helps carry oxygen through your blood. And here's a fact you might not know. Oats are rich in a specific group of antioxidants called avenanthramides. These are almost exclusively found in oats and are known for their anti-inflammatory effects, and oatmeal is known for its anti-inflammatory effects and its ability to help lower blood pressure. So, when you eat a bowl of oatmeal, you're getting far more than just a simple breakfast. You're getting a complex package of fiber, minerals, and unique antioxidants designed to fuel and protect your body. Let's follow that bowl of oatmeal on its journey through your body and see the science in action. First stop, your heart and circulatory system. Once you digest it, that hero fiber, beta-glucan, dissolves into a thick, gel-like substance. Imagine this gel traveling through your digestive tract like a sponge. As it moves, it soaks up and traps bad LDL cholesterol, preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Essentially, you're escorting cholesterol out of your body before it has a chance to clog your arteries. Studies have consistently shown that a daily intake of just 3 grams of beta-glucan, about what you get in one bowl of oatmeal, can significantly lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Next, let's talk about blood sugar. If you're used to sugary cereals that cause a morning energy spike followed by a crash, oatmeal is a game changer. Thanks to its low glycemic index and high fiber content, the carbohydrates in oatmeal are digested and absorbed very slowly. This means no dramatic spike in blood sugar. Instead, you get a steady, slow release of energy that keeps you feeling balanced and focused for hours. This makes it an exceptional food for managing blood sugar levels and particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. This leads us to our third major benefit, weight management. Have you ever noticed how a bowl of oatmeal keeps you feeling full for much longer than other breakfasts? Again, you can thank beta-glucan. The thick gel it forms in your stomach physically slows down how quickly your stomach empties. This process significantly increases the feeling of satiety, or fullness. It also promotes the release of a gut hormone called peptide YY, which is known to reduce calorie intake throughout the day. By keeping you full and satisfied, a daily oatmeal habit can be a powerful, effortless tool for managing your weight and preventing mindless snacking. Finally, let's look at your gut and even your skin. The fiber in oats acts as a prebiotic. This means it's food for the good bacteria living in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to everything from improved digestion and a stronger immune system to better mental health. And because chronic inflammation in the gut can often show up on your skin as acne or irritation, the anti-inflammatory properties of oats can contribute to a clearer, healthier complexion over time. But it's not all perfect. The way you prepare and consume your oatmeal can mean the difference between a superfood and a health trap. This is where many people go wrong. First, a potential side effect for beginners: bloating and gas. If your body isn't used to a high-fiber diet, suddenly introducing a daily bowl of oatmeal can be a shock to your system. This is normal. The solution is simple. Start with a smaller portion and gradually increase it over a week or two. This gives your digestive system time to adapt. Now, for the biggest issue, the one we hinted at in the beginning, you might be eating the wrong kind of oatmeal. Not all oats are created equal. At the bottom of the list are the pre-packaged, flavored instant oatmeal sachets. While convenient, they are often heavily processed, which can strip away some of the nutrients. More importantly, they are frequently loaded with shocking amounts of sugar, sodium, and artificial flavors. A single packet can contain as much sugar as a donut. In the middle, we have rolled oats. These are steamed and rolled flat, which means they cook faster than steel-cut oats, but still retain most of their nutritional value. They are a fantastic, versatile choice. At the top of the list are steel-cut oats. These are the least processed, where the whole oat groat is simply chopped into pieces. They take longer to cook, but they have a lower glycemic index and a chewier texture, making them the nutritional champion. Finally, there's the topping trap. You can start with the healthiest steel-cut oats in the world, but if you drown them in brown sugar, chocolate chips, and excessive maple syrup, you've effectively turned your heart-healthy breakfast into a dessert bowl. So how do you make sure you're getting all the benefits and none of the drawbacks? By building the perfect bowl. First, choose your base wisely. Aim for steel-cut or rolled oats whenever possible. If you need the convenience of instant, choose a plain, unflavored version with no added sugar. Next, think about balance. A bowl of plain oats is mostly carbohydrates. To make it a truly complete meal that will keep you full even longer, you need to add protein and healthy fats. For a protein power-up, stir in a scoop of Greek yogurt, a spoonful of protein powder, or top it with nuts like almonds and walnuts. For healthy fats, which are great for brain health, add a tablespoon of chia seeds, ground flaxseed, or a drizzle of almond butter. Finally, add flavor and natural sweetness without the processed sugar. Fresh or frozen berries are your best friends here. They add sweetness, vitamins, and antioxidants. A sprinkle of cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar, and a small dash of vanilla extract can add a wonderful aroma. If you still need a little extra sweetness, a tiny drizzle of pure maple syrup or honey is far better than spoonfuls of refined sugar. This balanced bowl is the true secret to unlocking the full potential of your daily oatmeal habit. Let's quickly bust 2 common myths about oatmeal. Myth number 1. Oatmeal makes you gain weight because it's full of carbs. The fact is, the type of carbohydrate matters immensely. The complex, high-fiber carbs in whole oats are slow digesting and actually promote weight control by keeping you full and stabilizing blood sugar. It's the high-sugar additions, not the oats themselves, that lead to weight gain. Myth number 2. You only need gluten-free oats if you have celiac disease. The fact is, while oats are naturally gluten-free, they are often grown and processed in facilities alongside wheat, barley, and rye, leading to cross-contamination. For individuals with celiac disease, this is critical. For those with a non-celiac gluten sensitivity, choosing certified gluten-free oats can help avoid digestive discomfort and inflammation. So, what happens if you eat oatmeal every day? The science is clear. It can be a truly transformative habit for your heart, your metabolism, and your overall health, but only if you do it right. The key is to choose unprocessed oats, avoid the sugar-loaded instant packets, and build a balanced bowl with protein and healthy fats. By making these smart choices, you turn a simple breakfast into a powerful daily investment in your long-term well-being. What is your favorite healthy topping for oatmeal? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to get some new ideas. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-based health content. Thanks for watching.